Join our Fire Mountain Gems and Beads family by signing up for our email list for all of our beading news. Find the link in the description area below.
As May's birthstone, emeralds are one of the most fascinating and cherished gemstones in the world, known for their lush green color and rich history. Commonly known as a symbol of eternal youth, emeralds are a popular choice for engagement rings and are the only gemstone to have a cut named after itself. The name emerald comes from the Greek word smaragdos, meaning green gem. In folklore, emeralds have been associated with a wide range of mystical and healing powers. In ancient times, they were highly prized by the Egyptian pharaohs, who believed that the gemstone symbolized fertility and rebirth. Emeralds were also thought to bring good fortune and protect the wearer from evil spirits. Legend says that Cleopatra claimed ownership of every emerald mine in Egypt during her reign. The Inca and Aztec civilizations also valued emeralds, using them for religious ceremonies and as offerings to their gods. Today, emeralds continue to be associated with healing and spiritual growth, and they are a popular choice for meditation and energy work. Whether admired for their beauty or cherished for their spiritual properties, emeralds are truly a gemstone to treasure. Here at Fire Mountain Gems and Beads, we carry emerald beads, faceted gems, charms, pendants, drops, and more.
Don't forget to like and comment on this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'm excited to welcome Deb, our graduate gemologist, back with us today to talk to us a little bit about emerald. Welcome, Deb.
Hello, Susan.
Nice to see you. So we have a bunch of different emerald products that Fire Mountain carries, and I'm hoping you can kind of go through with us and show us, the different beads that we offer.
So, how we select these goods. So we travel with the honors, different shows, we travel to the different countries, and that's how we select all these products. Sometimes vendors, they come to our company, and we make selections. So like a couple of these we selected at a show.
So that's curated nice. From around the world.
Yep, that's right. And that was the cut that time. They just started it. So we, the honors, Mr. Stuart Friedman, he bought those. And then this.
And what are so these are some inclusions.
Yeah, it's
stone.
Yeah, so they are low grade, probably C grade emeralds.
But pretty faceted squares.
But still, it's a rare, large size emerald, and pretty
very pretty.
Looking.
Now, what about this? Can you talk to me about this? I love the color and I love the shape.
So, Susan, on these, okay, look at the transparency. Can you see the?
Oh, nice. Yeah, it is
nice
transparent.
And then smooth finish. So on the smooth, so they have to use better quality stone to make it smooth beads. If the faceting hides some inclusions.
That makes sense.
The smooth stone, they have to use better grade stone to cut and polish and make it surface. So it doesn't hide any of all the inclusions are visible. So, but they have to use better quality stone, the material, to make these kind of beads. But these are nice descending, the graduation.
Yeah, beautiful teardrops here.
Teardrops, yeah. It's a puff teardrop.
Now, I noticed that we carry some of these as well. Can you talk to these? Look like they'd be easy to make jewelry with.
That's a faceted arrowhead. So on this one, so all you need is, so this one we call it drop. So some vendors, they call this as a pendant, but there is no bail. So you have to attach a jump ring to make a pendant, and then, or you can just attach small, you can add a bail or jump ring.
It's so simple. Just add a bail, jump ring, and then maybe some chain. Make a necklace. Finish
make
the
a
chain.
necklace out of it, or you can make earrings also.
Oh, that's true. Gorgeous. Now, what about, I think we have, these are links, right? So we have emerald links.
Yeah, so those are faceted bicones. Beautiful. So those are links. So you make a bracelet out of it, or you can make an emerald and other bead, carnelian or something, depending on
right, combined with other gems.
Then you can make whatever length you want.
Okay, those are gorgeous. Now this is just pretty.
That's a beautiful. That's a nice color.
I like the color. And would these be considered? This is small rondelles, or
actually small rondelles. See how hard to cut this that hardness. The 7.5 to 8, plus consistent sizes. So
gorgeous.
Yeah. So we made it a little bit shorter. Length is too expensive to get 16 inch.
Right.
So now we started. Plus people can use different colors instead of just buying one expensive 16 inch strand. So 8 inch strand is good selling nowadays.
And then let's see, are these these are chips, right?
Those are drill chips, yes. So it's so this is like a leftover from the cutting after they cut the raw material. So this is leftover, they just drill it in the different sizes. So we buy those chips. So our manufacturer, they make for us, And now we're adding the undrilled chips also.
Oh, good. Yes,
Yeah,
we have
so
the
those are-
drill chips too.
That's good for the artists,
Yes.
So those are nice. So they just use special glue, and then they can make some paintings or something.
Yeah, I've been seeing some.
And even in this drill chip, we got pretty much every stone.
Okay. So then, of course, we just have some other
Small
beads here,
beads,
small
yes.
beads. Okay. Well, I mean, we know that emeralds are green, but can you talk to us a little bit about how emeralds get their green color?
So the green color comes from vanadium and the chromium. And it can be just chromium or vanadium or both.
And is it like a certain amount of it that creates the variation? I'm looking at some of the stones we have here, and they're all different kinds of shades of green.
Yeah, so the part of the beryl species, so the content of the chromium and vanadium, that gives this color. So variation of that makes the color variation, in light to dark green color. And darker the better, more brighter green color.
That makes sense. And one of the things that I've heard with stones is we usually think of inclusions as being bad, but my understanding is with emeralds, inclusions are an okay thing.
See, as a gemologist, I love the inclusion. So it makes my life much easier. So that means it's natural stone.
Oh,
Plus, I can separate natural from synthetic or other stones, easier. Especially the emerald has more inclusions.
Oh, that makes sense compared to other stones.
Compared to other stone, even in their own group, emerald is the most. So this one, emerald comes in the clarity 3.
Clarity 3.
Clarity
Okay.
compared to aquamarine, that is clarity 1. So emerald has more inclusions. Even if it's a high end, it never comes as a flawless.
Oh, that makes sense. So we're not going to see a flawless emerald.
No, I doubt it. If there is any, it's going to be collector's item.
Right. Okay. Got that. Now, what about oil? I saw that most of the emeralds we carry are enhanced, or the enhancement code is oiled. Are emeralds oiled? And
So all the practically all the beads and even the gemstone there, I would say 90 to 95%, they're oil to hide the imperfections, especially the inclusions, like fractures or so it changes the transparency. It makes it more transparent, the oil.
that makes sense.
That's enhancement. That's why we use oil as enhancement. It's rarely they are dyed or like a colored oil they use. It's natural cedar oil, baby oil, or jasmine oil. That's what they use, which is pretty much clear.
Okay. And is that something that can we re-oil our own stones or re-oil emerald beads throughout their life?
Oh, sure. Yeah, once after a while, it's going to get dirty.
Right.
So once you use like a hot soapy water, after that, you can just rub with the oily, some towel or something.
Okay.
And so that's good enough. You don't need to dip it in the oil.
Okay.
So just rubbing it a little bit, and then it just penetrate the stone.
Okay.
That's all you need,
Okay. Now, where is most emerald found? And the emerald that we carry, where is it from?
So, okay, the best quality comes from Colombia, the bright green color.
Okay.
And then we get Brazil and Russia also we get those stones. So ours are mostly Colombia and Brazil. But you get high end, you get low end, medium end. So
Now, what kind of things should we consider when cleaning the stone or caring for it?
So you never use acetone or any kind of alcohol on the emeralds. And the best is just soapy warm water. And then you just use some oil. That's it. You don't need any kind of ultrasonic or anything to clean it.
Now, what about MOHS hardness? I know you've talked with us about what that meant earlier. What hardness is emerald?
So the emerald is 7.5 to 8. It makes it pretty hard stone. And for daily use, it's a decent quality. It's a decent gemstone, precious stones. So.
Okay, so good choice for bracelets, rings, necklaces.
Yes, yeah.
Anything to wear. Okay.
It's good enough.
Okay. And then the other thing I've heard is some emeralds are actually more valuable than diamonds. Is that true?
Yeah, the bright green, if it's clear without any inclusions or minimum inclusions, yes, they may be higher than the diamond.
Okay. So if we're talking the highest end emerald, we're talking that it would be transparent.
Transparent, yes. And the bright green color.
Bright green. Okay. Okay. And then minimal inclusion.
Minimum inclusion. I mean, if you can find a flawless, okay, put it in the vault, that's it. Don't use it.
Okay. Okay, Deb, I know you know that I love diamond rings, but today I'm hoping that you can show me how to make my own emerald ring with supplies we carry from Fire Mountain.
So we carry this sure set setting. So it's easy to set the emerald. We carry the same. So for this size, I think this one is 6x4. And there's a setting for this, the ring setting. So all you do is just take this ring and we carry this tool. So I'm going to move this one so we can show in the camera. So I'm going to set this and then you can, so remove this wood part. And so just set it here. So there's a leather, so that will make it
The leather holds it in place.
Yeah,
That's nice.
holds it in place. Then you just take this piece in there, wood piece, and then, right, so it's all pretty
Okay.
set there. So now all you do is just hold it like this.
Mm-hmm.
I'm sure you can
Okay.
lift this and then put it in there. So this one.
Give it a try.
Yeah, that's how you can do. So take that, just leave that on over there, and then, yeah.
It's an emerald. It's like easily set it in here.
Yep.
You just want to make sure it, of course, fits before you.
Let's see. Yep, that sits
easy. That's
perfectly.
gorgeous.
Settings perfect.
Gorgeous emerald. And then would a bezel roller be a
So
good
the
choice?
bezel. So what you do, I would do just put it on the table, and then.
And should I do? Is there any particular order that I should
do it opposite sides?
Okay, opposing sides. So just take the bezel roller, and I'll start on this side.
The top, you have to press it slightly, and then press one opposite side.
And then I'll go on the opposing side.
Yeah.
Press that.
Slightly, yeah. Okay, that's good enough.
And then go to the other side.
Yep, I think it's done.
And then this side.
That's it. Yeah, I can see it's flushed.
That is simple. Okay, now I want to try it on. So take it out of here. And let's see. Oh,
Voila. Wow,
gorgeous. So simple. I love it.
you made it. It's yours.
Well, and it's so nice because I've been seeing more and more colored stones being used in engagement jewelry and special occasion jewelry. So it's so simple to make your own rings. Thank you so much for coming today and showing us how to do this.
My pleasure.
I can't wait to see you again next time.
See you next time. Yeah.
Thank you for joining us today. It's so nice being able to talk with Dev, learning so much about the stones. And of course, now we all know how to make our own emerald rings. So if you like what you saw, please like, share, and subscribe so we can continue to make more. Happy beading!